Bitcoin is currently doing something really interesting, and in this analysis video I will show you guys everything you need to know for the Bitcoin price. So we can clearly see that Bitcoin saw this massive dump to the downside on the 1-day chart, immediately got back up and actually printed a hammer candle, which is of course a bullish candle, and now we're seeing a small upside momentum, as you guys can see. And in this video I'll show you guys everything you need to know what I actually think is going to happen, because some really big things are going to happen. So yeah, let me just show you guys immediately what I think is going to happen and what I'm currently trading. So I have 2 trades planned for the next couple of days / weeks, depending on how quick Bitcoin moves. So the first trade is actually going to be a short trade. And what I want to see is I want to see Bitcoin trading into this purple line right here. This is our support level of this pattern, and this will now act as resistance probably, which will be a really good indication of a short position, something like this, all the way back down to this trend line we have right here. And this trend line has been respected about 2 times right now. However, this is on a really big time frame, so this is a pretty valid trend line. So yeah, we could come all the way back to this $25,000 to $24,000 area, and that will be a really good area to actually put in a long position, and that's what I'm going to talk about right now. So for the shorter term time frame, I'm hoping to get this trend line getting touched, and this would also make a lot of sense here on the 1-day chart, because we can see that this was the neckline of our head and shoulders pattern, as you guys can see. So if we just get one more small pump to the upside, I will open a short position and ride it all the way down to $25,000, where I will close my position. And then I will be looking for my next position, which is going to be a long trade. And why am I expecting that $25,000 to $24,000 is going to be a good opportunity to short? Well, first of all, because of this trend line we have right here. Secondly, because there's just a lot of support around the $25,000 area. We got 2 major support areas right now. That first were resistance, then turned into support, as we can see. And yeah, this is just a really strong support area, and this will also be the next area of massive support, of course. Also, if we look here at the 1 week chart, we can see that between around $27,000 around here and $25,000 there's no volume traded at all. We can see that a lot of volume under that is being traded. However, here in this little area there's no volume traded at all, which means that Bitcoin will go through this area a lot quicker than we have right here, and this means we're most likely not going to see any consolidation if we do decide to break through $27,000. We're currently trading at $27,300, and if we decide to break through this $27,000 area under this last purple line we have right here at about $26,700, then $25,000 could come within 1 to 2 days. It will come really quickly, and it will just be a straight red candle like this, or a straight red candle like this, or something like this. So yeah, make sure to keep your eyes on the chart, because Bitcoin will be starting to move really quickly here. Also, because the weekly is not even looking that bullish at all. We can see that we got this massive pump to the upside. However, it looks like that this rally is finally coming to an end, because we have not been consolidating for this long since this entire rally that started all the way here from $16,000. So yeah, that is how I'm currently trading. That's currently how I'm looking at the markets. If we break under $27,000 again, then $25,000 is really likely to come. And if we do decide to break above $30,000, then $35K will come even quicker. However, I think that there's more chances of us breaking to $25K than us going all the way to $35K, simply because it's a lot further away. And then traditional markets are also not looking quite bullish at the moment. We can clearly see that the S&P is of course trying to break through this resistance area. However, it hasn't been capable of doing so for a really long time right now, and we all know the longer it takes to get to a resistance area, the most likely that's not going to actually get flip it into support, and that's actually just going to get resisted. So something like this for the S&P will be completely fine in my opinion. and that also combined with the dollar actually not looking as bearish. And of course, the bearisher the dollar looks, the bullisher that is for the traditional markets. So we can see that the dollar is currently here at support. It flipped this resistance we clearly had right here now into support. And there is a chance that we could see 103.105 in the next few weeks, which will be a major pump, of course, for the dollar, which could bring down Bitcoin quite a lot. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. All the information and all my analysis plus my 2 trades. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If so, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sign up for a Bybit account using the first link in the description, because the exchange I am using to trade is called Bybit. And if you use the first link in the description, you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses and 25% off fees. And if you use the normal Bybit link, you don't get any deposit bonuses at all, and no your fees won't be cut in half or cut at 25%. So just use my link. It's a first link, and you support me as well. And you get 25% off fees. And a deposit bonus, normally you won't get any of those. So yeah, that being said, I would really appreciate it if you do so. And I will see you in my next analysis video.